Another fine vehicle offered by Tomball Dodge.
This is a 2006 Dodge Ram 2500, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. It has a 6-cylinder engine, a 6-speed manual transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include the adjustable driver pedals are another great feature. They allow you to tailor the position of the foot pedals, moving them closer and higher to perfect your control over the vehicle. A keyless entry system, a leather interior, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, tinted glass, disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, front multi-stage airbags, and cruise control. This Dodge has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Tomball Dodge is located at 23777 Highway 249 in Tomball. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.